first video, and also I think it's the last video, I guess. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an affordable place that you can visit in Bandung. If you're a college student and want to visit some place, I hope this video is gonna help and inspire you, because this place is not just cheap, also it's very educational. So let's go! So hello everyone, my name is Rizka. So today I'm in Geological Museum. This is an affordable place that you can visit in Bandung. So if you want to have some vacation that really affordable and cheap, you can come in here. So yeah. Bandung Geology Museum was found in May 1928. This museum has been renovated with the fund from GICA, or Japan International Cooperation Agency. After the renovated, this museum is inaugurated by Mrs. Megawati in August 2000. In this museum, they store and manage abundant geological materials such as fossil, rock, minerals. All of them were collected during fieldwork in Indonesia since 1850. This museum located in Diponegoro Street near another museum called Museum Post. So if you want to visit this place, you're gonna find it very easily because it's located in downtown. The Geology Museum is divided into several showrooms that occupy the first and the second floor. On the first floor, they divide it into three main rooms, which is Orientation Room in the middle, West Wing Room, and East Wing Room. The Orientation Room contains a geographic map of Indonesia in the form of large screen, relief displaying of geological museum and activities in the form of animation, a museum information service booth, and education and research service booth. Meanwhile, the West Wing Room, known as the Indonesian Geology Room. On the second floor, they divide it into two main rooms, such as the middle room and the east room. This room, used for demonstration geological space for human life. Middle room contains the biggest gold mining mockup in the world, and the east room is divided into 7 small rooms, and all of them provide information about the positive and negative aspect of geological order for human life, especially in Indonesia. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video is gonna inspire you to visit this place. So thank you. See you next time.